Ethereum. Ethereum blockchain's native coin is Ether. Idiomatically, they call it Ethereum too. Ether is second most valuable cryptocurrency in market behind Bitcoin. After Ether born in 2015, it was growing. In second birthday, Ether's price was $8. 1 year later, it increased by $1,400. This means multiplied by 175, and now it's worth more than $3,000. One of the main differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum is their supply. Bitcoin can only be mined until 21 million Bitcoin, while there is more than 112 million mined Ethereum until today. Another difference is that Bitcoin usage in crypto market is so limited, but Ethereum, with its blockchain technology, managed to be an exchange market. High gas fee and slow transaction are the biggest Ethereum problems, and their solution is Layer_2 or Ethereum 2.0. For buying, either you just need to make sure that you chose right exchange, and then you can easily buy it on domestic exchanges with your bank card, and store it in your wallet. Produced in Rasanet Studio.